Maybe we can have like an entity called background. I think maybe just have an entity called background, like this, because I want to do stuff to it. I want to do more things. So color, this will be background, perfect. Wait, gotta spell it correctly. Background. It's spelled like that. Geoground. Like, there you go. Perfect. And this will be a string, color, and then also shake. This is what I wanted to do. I wanted to shake. So there's a there will be a color, and there will be actually this will be int. I think is it gonna be int or float? It's probably fine as an int because we need it to be more than 1 pixel, at least 1 pixel, because we'll have like a shake effect. That's what I want. I want to fill a rectangle is what I want. I want to fill a rectangle. How do we do that? How do we do that? So draw. Let's see. Is there a draw? Hold on. Is there for CRCLE? We're circle draw. Okay, I want to draw a rectangle. Draw. All right, here we. Let's see. Draw. All right, I want a rect. Perfect. Perfect. Rect. Perfect. This is what I'm looking for. All right, rectangle, and then it will be a surface color rectangle. What's surface? Surface color rectangle with border radius, border top left. Oh, so we need a surface of some. Okay, so what we could do? I got it. So draw game screen. Okay, perfect. Oh, that's gonna be okay. I know what we're doing here. All right. This I was hoping for this. All right, so this allows us to do some pretty neat effects. If we can grab, so the game.screen is actually a surface, and so we can draw on that surface, and then we can also on like background buffers type things like that, and then we can draw that surface onto the main canvas. Pygame draw rectangle. It needs to be, and then it's probably got a color, right? So a color and then rect, and so I need a rect, which is going to be some sort of how do we get to here? Is this the definition of a rect? Perfect. I need a rect. Okay, so rect. I want to create a new rectangle. How do we do that? So the background needs to also have a rectangle of some sort. Where is that at? Where's our background? Here it is. Okay. This needs a what do you call it? The rect. Rect maybe something like that. I think that should be good. That might work. I don't know if that might work. I'm not sure. It's going to have AI too. I know you love AI. Hey, there you go. That's the right way. AI is the way. You got it. Absolutely. AI. You got it. I need this here. I need this to be a thing. Game surface. All right. So we need to draw the rectangle. And then we've got a rectangle on the background, I believe. The background. So we've got a background here. And then we need to instantiate the background. So game class. Here we go. Game setup. Where is the game? Game at here. Okay. And background is going to be a new background instance that looks like we just call this, we could just do background. Can we do that? No, we can instantiate it right here. There's no reason why we couldn't. So we could just say background, and then color will be purple initially, like that. Was there anything else in the background? We'll hold back on that for now. I'll say color rectangle. All right, so we do need a rectangle. All right, so background color is going to be purple. And then 0 shake, and then Pygame rect. And the rect needs to be width and height. So 0, 0, and then the height of the screen. So do we have the screen height? Yeah, okay, here. This needs to be up here. Maybe we'll go here. See, let's do here. We need to have the game, the canvas, the resolution, game resolution. Here we go. The whole resolution, you guys. Otherwise, your game's going to depend on the frame rate. Yep, you're right. We figured it out. Not using vibe coding. I know, Razor, we're doing it from scratch. Pygame, you need a delta so it wouldn't be position, velocity, delta, clock tick. Yeah, we got the clock tick. We got the DT clock tick. If you don't use DT yet. We do. The jam, you know what we're talking about. What are we learning here? We are learning how to make a game with AI. See the AI? It's learning. It's figuring it out. See, it knows to come for us. All right, so this is a good like level 1 AI, right? Level 1 is if we just hold very still. We hold very still. Don't move. Is it? Does it see us? It doesn't see us. Hey, nice, dude. I know. Isn't it neat? Red circle be like surprise. Yeah, I know. All right, it's coming for it. Oh, it's realizing because we made it smart enough, just barely smart enough. See there, it's perfect. It's perfect. I love that. I need to see what this is. Can we modify it? I'm not sure if we can modify it or not. Moves the rectangle. Oh, we can. Okay. So, oh, you can move X. Oh, that's all you got to do. Move it X, Y. Returns a new rectangle that's moved by a given offset. Yes, that makes it so much easier. Oh, you can inflate and deflate it too. I'm just going to shake it. I'm just going to shake the X, Y. We'll do random. We'll do some random. Need to make the rectangle shape. So we got to draw it. We got to draw the rectangle. Here. That's why it's purple. That's why it's purple. I was wondering about that. So games draw. How do we say draw? Let's see. Draw rectangle. And then we say draw rectangle. And then the rectangle is going to be game.background.rect. There we go. I think that'll do it. So this should give us the same thing that we had before. It should look exactly the same. Nope. All right, 1 second. Surface. Got it. We need the surface. Game.screen. There we go. That should do it now. That should do it. Game.screen. Nope, just kidding. Just kidding. Function missing required argument rect. Do we have to say rect? Do we have to say it like this? Rect, like that? Wait, draw. Do we have to? Wait. Let's see here. We need to see this. Draw. Game.draw. I had it over here. See, draw rect. Surface color rect. Okay. Got it. Okay. So this we need a game.background.color. And then I got to get going here. So now I want to make the screen shake. So let's see. We'll do game.background.rect. Was it move? Was it called move? I think a random number. So let's see, np.random Python. I got to get going here, guys. See, you might have heard it. We got to get going. Import NumPy as np.rand random. Wait, is it random dot? Is it dot random.random? Double check. Let's see, dir. I need to dir this. Here we go. I know what I'm doing. I just random. Here we go. Random. I need to dir this, right? So I do got to get going. So I'm not paying attention to chat. Sorry, guys. Randint is randint. So randint. That's what I want, right? Int. Is there an int in here? Randint. You got it. It is randint. Perfect. Random. So np.random.randint. We'll go 0, 10, something like that. Here, let's run this again. Okay, so we are getting. It's going purple, but it's not shaking. It's not shaking. Can we just update it randomly? So I don't want to move it. I want to just so game. Here we do game.background.rectangle.x equals random. So let's try this. Instead of using the function, we'll see if we could do this. And then we'll do fy. Perfect. All right, let's see if that works. You guys. Oh, there we go. There we did it. All right, perfect. Excellent. That's what I'm looking for. Because it adds like tension. And so what we'll do is like when the AI gets closer to us, as the AI gets closer, the screen will shake more violently. All right? That'll be the idea. So we got to get going, you guys. Thank you for hanging out. It was a short stream today. So like, oh no, the AI's coming for us. Gotta be careful. Right? Run away, right? See, it's like my idea. It was, right? The jam, your idea. You got it. Thank you. It was a good idea because it like really adds the tension. You can see it. You're like, I don't know what I'm gonna do. And then I also want the player to also shake too. I want the player to shake as well. So we'll do that too.